To remove the cone and prep it for the new surround, you will need the following tools: gloves, a Lazy Susan, a dull chisel, end pliers, a mallet, a sharp chisel, a utility knife, and an air saw. Step 1. Use a sharp chisel and mallet to carefully cut through the glue holding the composite cone to the dust cap. Switch to the dull chisel to pop out the dust cap to avoid any damage to the cone or cap. Step 2. Use a utility knife to cut through the paper cap, then pull it off with your hands. Step 3. Cut around through the coil former using an air saw. This works best for us, but a sharp chisel and some patience can also work. Step 4. Remove the gasket. Step 5. Use a utility knife to cut around through the outside and then the inside of the surround to fully remove the cone. Step 6. Use the end pliers to remove the former from the top of the cone. You want to pull perpendicularly to the cone to avoid damaging it. Step 7. Use the same end pliers to remove the rope joint at the bottom of the cone. This is another place where you need to be careful in order to not damage the cone. Pull inwards to break the glue joint and then pull away from the cone. Step 8. Use your sharpened chisel to break the glue joint for the top rope joint. Be very careful. The CA glue is very strong and it's easy to accidentally put the chisel through the cone. Once you have cut through the glue, remove the rope joint. Step 9. The glue we use to hold the surround to the cone is water soluble. Soaking the cone overnight in some water makes it much easier to peel off. You don't need to cover the whole cone in water, just the surround joint. Step 10. Take the cone out of the water and peel off the surround. Let it dry before gluing on the new surround. To glue the new surround onto the composite cone, you will need the following tools: P60 sandpaper, Wonder Glue, and weights. Step 1. Using 60 grit sandpaper, remove the leftover foam surround residue off of the cone. We developed a special tool to help ease the process, but it is not necessary. Remove any residue with a brush or vacuum. Step 2. Using the P60 sandpaper strips, scuff around the bottom side of the surround that creates the joint between the surround and cone. Using a jig will help ease the process. Step 3. Use a vacuum to remove all of the residue. Step 4. Apply a glue bead all around the surround landing you just scuffed. Using your finger to massage the glue in a circular motion. You want to have a nice, even covering of glue. Reapply and massage more glue if needed. Step 5. Place the cone on the surround. Make sure it is centered correctly. Apply weight to the cone to create a proper seal. Step 6. Let the glue cure. We use our oven to cure faster for production speed. Without an oven, it takes 12 hours to fully cure. After 4 hours, it can be moved and start the recone process. We have another video on that called DD Audio 2-Piece Recone Kit Installation Tutorial.